Hey, hi Bangalore, Namaskara. This is Suman from Dr. AV Receiver, Bangalore. Today I came up with an ONKYO TX-NR828 AV receiver, which is 7.2 channel AVR. So this is what the thing. So today we have not today we have received few days back, and today is the final thing. So that's the reason I am making a video here. So this is what the TX-NR828 series network series AV receiver. This is what how it looks like, and you can see the specification over the top of the panel here, which is comes with the THX Select Plus 2, Dolby Pro Logic 2, high definition, DTS HD, Odyssey, multi EQ, dynamic volume, many things they have given. And here coming to the specification, and this is what the internal thing comes with a fan, huge fan also for a cooling purpose. So in Onkyo there is a lot of issue with the DSP, that's many people are know. So before now they have come up with a different technology. Now it's completely super technology what Onkyo is giving. Before that, so many Onkyo has faced a DSP failure. So that is a main issue with the Onkyo, but now they are not it's not happening like that. And this is what the internal video. So this HDMI board comes with a fan, amplifier section, amplification section, transformer, auxiliary power supply. It's a normal like a same as all AV receiver. This is the front panel, and you will get a window for accessing the front buttons also. So many buttons and all, premium system this is. So, and coming to the specification, which is this per channel will be 130 watt at 8 ohms. So at 6 ohms nearly 180 to 150 to 180 watt per channel they have claimed, and when you are driven a 2 channel only. So this is what they have mentioned, and comes with the THX Select 2 Plus, and for a theater purpose and theater sound quality, and with built-in Wi-Fi for a on network music thing and all. So online music and all, and the online music will be like a Pandora, Spotify, Rhapsody, Sirius XM, Slacker, TuneIn, Appio for on a subscription basis. And here the main thing is the system comes with a high resolution music, like a high resolution DAC and all. The Brown IC they will use here, 24-bit 192 kilohertz upscaling is there, like a processing is there per second. So this is what 7.2 channel TX-NR828 amplifier looks like, and the specification. So coming to the back side, so this is how it looks like in the back side. And coming to the here, so the customer Ravi sir. So from the Ravi sir, we have received from the Bangalore place only. So issue with this is it's going to the protection mode. So it's going to the protection mode. So the issue with the amplifier section, like this section is there now. This is what we call the pre-amplification of section. So this is the main part, for driving the main transistor. This is the main transistor for driving the transistor. So this is the board we will get, in between that they will place it. In few system that is in the single PCB only they will design, but this is a heavy wattage, that is the main reason they have given in the separate basis. So we have repaired, and it's working fine now. And DAC also has gone bad, we have changed the DAC also. So this is the final video, like after repair we have done the working and all. So you can listen the music output and all. So this is what TX-NR828 process, and we have done the rectification also. It's working fine, same as like that premium system. If anyone requires service, kindly do contact Dr. Averizer. We are located in Yelahanka, Chikka, Bommasandra, Bangalore itself. So thank you and all who are watching these videos, and kindly support on YouTube subscription and Instagram follow for more videos on related to these kind of systems. Thank you and all, bye bye.